How to make international transfers TD Bank Canada. For this, you have to open a web browser and then search for TD Bank. Right here, once you are logged in, you have to tap on My Accounts. Then right here, you will see the option of Global Transfer. Tap on it. If you do not have a global transfer activated, make sure to tap on Get Started and do accordingly as instructed right there in the page. If you already have it, go ahead and follow this next step. So first step is to select a country where you want to transfer the amount. So go ahead and select a destination. Select a transfer method, that is cash pickup, send to card, and send to account. Since we are transferring into a bank, tap on Select on the option of Send to account. Once you tap on Select, enter the amount of money that you want to send to the recipient and then tap on Continue. Once you tap on Continue, the amount will be sent to the recipient bank account. But mind it will take up to 2 to 3 business days. If you face any of the trouble regarding this transaction, you can go ahead and check out the TD Bank support and as well as call the hotline to navigate your transaction as well. So go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.